Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will speak on Purnima Banerji. She was born in 1911. She was involved in the freedom struggle along with Sucheta Kriplani, Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. She actually participated in Satyagraha and Quit India movements. She was appointed to the Constituent Assembly from United Provinces. She was one of the youngest members in the Constituent Assembly. She was also one of the members who was very vocal throughout the Constituent Assembly. She spoke on various issues, like she participated in a debate related to preamble. She participated in a debate related to preventive detention. In this particular debate, she was of opinion that if a detained person is the only earning member of the family, in such case, maintenance allowance should be given to them. She was also of opinion that the qualifying age for the Rajya Sabha should be 30 years and not 35 years. She also expressed her opinion as to what kind of an education should be given by the government. On 30th of August 1947, quote, "My object in moving the amendment is that education imparted in these institutions should be restricted or controlled by the government without any fear of interfering with anybody's religion. The curriculum should be in the control of the government and should be of such a nature that it broadens the mind rather than create an exclusiveness." So, unquote. So, this was her opinions as regards how the education should be controlled by the government. We are grateful for our contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.